Hello and welcome. In this video, I will show you the fastest and simplest way to install Tele Linux on Windows using the Windows subsystem for Linux. Okay? So step number 1 is to just open up PowerShell as admin. So you can do like so. And then if we want to run do DSL command, but this is the Windows subsystem for Linux. This is what we'll be using to get Tele Linux on Windows. So we run DSL -- install, let me zoom in a little bit, and then D for the distribution, and we simply want Tele Linux Exo. Then we can hit enter. This will take some time to download. That's perfectly okay. And then after the installation process is done, it might ask us to restart the Windows machine, so it can properly get integrated. And after that, I will show you how it looks. But don't you worry, I'll show you all the steps in this video. So now I'm just waiting on the installation process to get done. We're almost done with step 1. Perfect, just like that. So now it just wants us to create the username. So tally, right, just for demonstration processes. And now I'm running these commands on Windows. Okay. So you might have to restart for you personally. But if you have to restart the machine, that's perfectly okay. Now back to my Windows again, so if I type ID right there, it won't work. But yeah, all you essentially do then is just to run VSL-L, and you can see that this one is listed now under. So then you just run Tele Linux XL. And now again, we are in, and now we can run whatever we want. But this is just to demonstrate. And just like this, we are looking at DMARC records on Tesla, right? Running Linux commands on Windows. It's very cool. We also have this Tele Linux app right here we can open. And once again, we are running commands on Windows, so yeah. And I also just wanted to mention that in case you run this and you want to use some other tools, like Mmat, you would just have to install it like so. Or if you don't even see this, then you essentially have to run update like so. And then sudo apt upgrade yes, like so again. And then we should run this and let this one completely finish, right? I essentially just did this, but I just wanted to mention this as well in case you forgot about it. And then we shall not have Mmat. But we just copy this. You copy and paste it with right click, by the way. So when I'm right clicking right now, I'm pasting. That's in the not a little quirk as well. Yeah. It's actually just installing Mmat. And then now we can run the basics of Mmat. Yeah. And yeah, something like Google. And there we can see obviously they have a web server running, right? So I just want to show that in the end, but yeah. This is really all you need, and you can download tools like normally, tools that require GUI, you might have some issues with, but really why you would like to have this is just that it's a quick way. So instead of opening up like VirtualBox or something, you just click here on this, and then if you just curl something, or you stag, or use a specific tool, or you just want to do bug bounty stuff that you just need the CLI from, or you don't really need like something graphical, right? Basically any tool that you would just prefer to have here. Because it is fast and convenient, right? So I frequently use this myself, and I find it very convenient when I just want to quickly check something. I don't feel like opening up a virtual machine, right? But that's really it. Hope this was helpful, and have an awesome day. And if you want to learn how to hide, and you want to get essentially direct communication with me and all the 300 other people that are in this academy right here, then you can do so. We have a certification bot on almost all of the CompTIA certifications out there. We directly teach OSCP, as you can see right there. We have several other courses, and we have, I don't even know how many hours of content by now, but we literally have everything that you need. And people are constantly asking me questions, or people are constantly feeling a part of the community and really just learning together. And we've had many people, as you can see, all of these releases. People are absolutely loving it. People are crushing the OSCP. And yeah, it's just an amazing community, and I highly suggest join. We also have a 1-day free trial, so you can just join, try it out for some hours. If you don't like it, no worries, just cancel, and you won't have to pay anything whatsoever. So it's completely free to try. But yeah, obviously people are staying, and we have 300 people for a reason, because people are really loving it, and I hope that you will too. So check it out. Click the link down below, the WAP link, and I will hopefully see you inside. But whether you do or you don't, no worries. Thank you so much for watching, and have an awesome day.